Ate girl to baby. Hi guys! Today is Mother's Day. So, happy Mother's Day to all of us. Ayan. Yung tupiin ko, nakiki-Mother's Day. Dahil Mother's Day naman, pabayaan ko muna dyan. So, lalabas tayo guys. Instead na gusto ko kasi igala yung mga bata guys. Kaya kami lalabas. Hindi dahil gusto ko mag-celebrate. I'm thinking of the kids. Nanay tayo syempre, di ba? Iniisip na lang natin yung sarili natin, huli na.
Bye-bye! Happy Mother's Day!
Priority talaga ang pamilya, lalo na mga bata. Good to your viewers! Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, guys!
Happy Mother's Day? Yes. Today's Mother's Day. Did you greet Mama?
Yes.
Umaga-umaga nag-greet niya sa akin si Ate Anika. Sabi niya, what did you tell to Mama? You want to buy me what?
Gift?
Huh?
All lipstick for you.
All lipstick for me. And then?
And then I'll buy all lotions for you.
Wow! Mga pampaganda.
Lipstick, Malila. And strawberry lipstick lotion. And last, my Livia lipstick again.
Livia lipstick. Sabi sa akin ni Anika guys kanina umaga, Ma, I want to buy you clothes, I want to buy you shoes. What else do you want? Akala ko naman pera. That's why, Anika, you have to study well and get a nice job. So, in the future, you can buy anything for Mama. Okay? Okay na.
She should get the money from the school.
Namumblema si Anika sa kumukuha ng pambili.
Do you see my eyes, guys? Or the reason when I touch my eyes?
No, don't touch it!
Why?
No!
Just fall down?
Not it will fall down. You'll become blind.
Blind?
Yeah.
Don't book my eye, just touch it.
No, you should not. You should never touch your eye.
If you remove it, you can't see it.
Yeah.
If you remove two eyes, baby, then go back her head here. If you
she can longer see if you do like that. Gusto magsulat sa akin?
If you do exercise, no, baby.
Si Anika kanina pa yung tanong, gusto niya akong sulatan ng Happy Mother's Day. Sabi ko mamaya na lang, mamaya pag-uwi natin. Kanina pa yung tanong, Ma, I want to write sa Happy Mother's Day for you, sabi niya sa akin.
Also, I like gift. After I finish my school, get money from teacher.
Wow, what for teacher? May pinatago ka sa teacher.
After I do school money to teacher. Then after the school completed.
I mean after you graduated.
After my school completes money.
You should find a job, and then once you get the money, then that's the time for you to buy something for Mama. Okay?
I want to buy you car for buying something.
You'll buy a car for whom?
For riding outside. I want to buy something in the shops. Kid also I'll give money to.
Ang daming pangarap na Anika para sa akin.
If I'm grown up, I will buy.
What are you going to buy?
Gift to my Happy Mother's Day.
Wow, sure. That's why you have to study well. Okay.
After running race and hide and seek.
What's the hide and seek? Shall I remove your bangs?
No.
You want with bangs? Why?
I love it.
You feel beautiful with the kulot kasi ang buhok ng ate. Yung buhok ni Anika, straight, tapos pagdating sa dulo, kulot. Kasi lang nipag-inukitan ko siya. Pag gumaba,
I want to buy a photo.
What photo?
Like pictures.
Camera.
Camera pictures.
And then, what are you gonna do with this one?
I want to look picture for birds, clothes, like that.
Photography.
Yeah.
Daming ano na Anika?
For my puppy.
For puppy? Where's your puppy out?
No puppy. Papa's not buying it.
What did Papa did
I
tell you?
didn't say butter is good.
Butter is for?
Butter is for my bubbles.
For your bubbles. So, see you later, guys, Mom. We're going
See you
outside.
later, guys. Bye-bye.
Mamaya ka
Paalam,
magbababa.
bye.
Aba, paalam. Ano, what? Paalam.
Paalam.
Ah!
Statue of Equality.
What is that?
Okay.
What do you want, baby? Let's go. We're going to order. Darin, we're going to order.
Going to order and chicken?
Yeah.
Two crispy fried chicken. Yes. One then.
Checkpoint, what about you?
I want
She really wants to sit there. It's American. I want American. American. The Rain? Rain. What happened to her ponytail? Nom nom be Rain. Nom nom. Nom nom. Aba. 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 No, nom nom be Rain. Nom. Nom. De be Rain. Be. Show be nom nom. Nom nom. Rain, show to Papa nom nom, Rain. Show to Papa nom nom.
Mama water.
Show to Papa nom nom nom.
Mama water.
Nom nom be Rain.
Mama give me water.
Rain, oh. Rain, be, do it like this. Bibi Rain, be. Ah! Hold to Papa. Yung manok namin, piniprito pa. Ah.
Enough.
Ay, be careful, it's hot. Wait lang, baby.
Oh. Bravo. Apple.
Mama, birin.
One.
Ayoko.
So, kauwi lang namin, guys. It's already 10. Ang nangyayari, guys, instead na maglibot-libot kami, naglibot-libot kami na nakamotor. Very good dati. So, balak namin sana pumunta sa mga bazaar, yung marketplace ba. Gawa nga lang nung kumain kami dun sa McDo, guys. Eat first day. Kumain kami dun sa McDonald's, guys. Tapos kinabot kami ng samsyam kahihintay dun sa manok. And take note yung manok, guys. Kinakabahan ako. There's some parts ng manok lasang Sonrox. Hindi ko alam kung yung Sonrox mabi kung nandun sa tray. Kasi pag yung ibang part kasi nung nandun na siya banda sa balat niya nung kinakain ko, biglang naglasa ng Sonrox. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung tumama kasi yung kamay ko dun sa sa tray. Sabi ko baka yung tray may Sonrox. Pagdating dun sa ibang part na naman, maglasa na naman siyang Sonrox, guys. Yay! Hindi ko siya maireklamo dahil nga yung ibang parang kalat-kalat yung lasa ng Sonrox sa manok. May ibang kasing part na okay, may ibang part na lasa ng Sonrox. So, tapos ang tagal-tagal pa namin hinintay yung manok. Sabi ko, parang kinakabahan ako. Hindi namin naubos yun, guys. Sayang lang yun. Papa, nag-ano lang. Alam niyo ba kung ano yan, guys?
Ice apple.
Ice apple. She's coming. She wants it. Paborito ng Lorin yan eh. So yun yung ice apple, guys. Ayan. Para siyang yung pag tumigas yan, guys, masarap yung kainin pag bata pa yung yung ice apple. Pero pag na yung magulang na, ang tigas, kainin. Tsaka may tubig yan sa loob. Ano nga lang yan, magbalat pag kumakain. Hi
guys.
Kain ko ng curd rice ang... And at the same time nga pala, ayan, regarding sa school. Regarding sa school, guys, ayan, kasi may nakita ako doon sa comment section na dapat daw, ano ko daw Anika sa New Delhi Public School. Guys, ito lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Pag may nabasa kayo ditong public school, most especially dito sa India, don't expect na public school siya. Kasi alam nyo ba yung New Delhi Public School, guys? Inaabot rin ng 100,000 yung tuition fees dyan. Na-scam din ako yun ng public school nila dito. Kasi akala ko yung public school, di ba sa ating public school means parang government school, di ba? When you see something public school dito, don't expect na public siya, guys, kasi private siya. Private. In a sense na pang-private yung enrollment or admission fee niya. Kasi yung pamangkin ni Mr. na nag-aaral yun sa New Delhi Public School, sa Kadapan naman, every year again, guys, pataas yung school fees na niyan. Kasi umabot na siya ng 100 something plus, 100 plus every year. Yung, yung...
Mama, if I'm a grown-up, I'm to build the Christmas lights.
Okay.
And I'm not grown up.
Okay. Every year, pataas
na baby, I can do it.
Okay. Every year, pataas yung school fee dyan. So, pag may nakita ng public school, don't expect na public school siya kasi yung pang-matrikula dyan, aabutin nga ng 100,000 na. Although hindi ko alam kung pang sa grade 1 kung magkano, pero pag inabot na kasi ng grade 6 yan, guys, something, nasa pagkakaalam ko nasa na yun, 100 plus, o grade 5, nasa 100 plus na yata yan siya, yung school fee every year. Kaya magpaaral dito sa India, guys, tagang ginto ang ang halaga. Yun ang nagsasabi sa inyo na na government school. Yung public school dito, guys, kung tawagin siya is government school. Yan yung parang government school in India is free. Free. Isn't there any payment? No. Pero ang drawback lang dyan, guys, sa mga naririnig ko lang kasi hindi ko naman alam, hindi naman ako nag-aral dito. Sa naririnig ko lang, sa mga government school dito, hindi daw kagandahan yung edukasyon. Yung pagpalagay na natin na parang basic. Kaya, kung nyo dito, guys, mostly talaga ng mga kabataan dito sa India, kung yung kahit nasa middle class, talagang pinipili nila yung school na talagang maganda yung kalidad ng edukasyon. Although mahal dito, guys, sa India yung education, pero napapansin nyo naman sa mga Indiano matatalino, diba? Ganun ka-advance dito, guys. Yung pang grade 2 na grade 3 na mga lessons dito, nasa grade 1 pa lang yan sa kinder na tinuturo na nila yan, guys. Kaya lang yung pressure sa bata, yun lang yung nakakabaliw dito. Kaya sinasabi ko dito, hindi katulong ang kailangan mo dito, kundi yung pang-tutor ng mga bata. Bukas na ako magda-diet, guys. At may ice cream sa ref. Total kasi kumain na kami sa labas. Kaya lulubos-lubos. Cheat day tayo ngayon, cheat day. Actually, 3 days na ako cheat day. Hindi kasi ako nag-exercise, guys, dahil nga ilang araw na ako lang tulog, parang wala sa lagay yung katawan ko. Kaya parang kain ako ng kain itong mga nakaraang araw. So, bukas na ako magda-diet. Hi, guys. Tsura ni Loreng, oh. Ano yung Loreng? Inambang akong kalulis nito. 31 grams na sa ano to? 90 calories.
Guys, it's so good. This is juicy.
Juicy, be careful.
I want to test it.
Kung mapakita kang mag-ate at ang ane ka naka-boreless, liligo. So anyways, bago natin isa itong vlog na to, ay gusto kong pasalamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta sa ating channel. At the same time, maybe some of you magsasabi ganun lang yung Mother's celebration namin, Mother's Day celebration. Actually guys, masaya na ako na kahit pa paano nailabas na namin yung bata, yung mga bata. So I'm not expecting anything from my husband, no. Kasi masakit mag-expect. And at the same time, syempre sa anim na taon ko naman dito, first time ko na naka-receive ng bulaklak kay Mr. Guys. At after that, wala na. Tsaka hindi rin ako na-expect ng flowers. Actually, ayoko talaga tumanggap ng flowers. Bakit? Kasi feeling ko nasasayang pagkatapos na ibigay. Tapos ilang araw malalanta na. Sabi ko kay Mr. kung magbibigay ka man, yung mga gagamitin na katulad ng mga babasag yung baso. Homebody ako guys. So nagluluto ako. Ayoko ng mga pabulaklak. Chocolate okay pa. But since nga nagkaka-calorie deficit ako, kunyari, so hindi din ako okay na sa akin yung lumabas kami kasama yung mga bata. Happy na ako. Importante guys, naramdaman natin yung itong diwa ng pagiging nanay, diba? Ayan. So that's it for today's video guys. So maraming salamat sa pagsama ulit sa ating vlog. And see you in our next vlog. Paalam and God bless.